Hi, Dex here. Welcome to another fun Friday. And today we're going to do Hard to Handle by the Black Crows. Remember, I'm not here to teach you how to play the piano or improvise on the piano. There are plenty of videos out there to do that. What I want to do is show you my notes that I use when I play this in a band, so you can feel free, screen grab it, use it for yourself. It's how I remind myself what we're doing. So let's get to it. Did you like and subscribe? That's always really helpful. So the intro is dead easy. This is literally just doing octaves, which you can't quite see my left hand, but it's the same as the right hand. It is literally those notes. So the intro notes that you can see up there, they are notes, not chords. So just play them and you've got the intro sorted. The verse, it says a C7 jam. Okay, so that's the easy way to remember it, because if you play a C7, so it's basically C with a B flat, and if you put the C on the top as well, you can practice trying to get the sound right from that. So you've got to listen to the tune, obviously, so you can work out the rhythm. What I like to do actually is turn it into a C9 by adding the D. And you can sort of play around with the D, C and the B flat at the top. The other way of thinking about a C9 is G minor over C. And in the left, you can do a sort of octave bass with whatever the root note is in this whole tune, and play the fifth as well occasionally. Another thing you can add into the verse while you're jamming along is something we learnt last week in Honky Tonk Woman, and that is the blues riff that we did. And that actually fits quite well if you stick it in the right place. But you get the idea. Keep the rhythm going. Drive the song like that. When you then get to the chorus, so you're going to end up going, and there's not much to the chorus apart from you've got the G7, and a good way to do this is to sort of build up the notes. So start low, so with like a G and a B, add in a D, add in the F, add in the top G as well. You will notice I have put C1 in pink. This is the bit that every YouTube video that teaches this misses out. The end of the first chorus is different to the rest of them. This is the bit you will recognize that you hear on every other YouTube video, and that is the C, and I've put a star, so C everything. Every other ending is that's it. But the first time you get to that, it actually does E flat and F first. And then you're back to jamming a verse. That's how I play Hard to Handle. Those are the notes. Do feel free to copy them. Like and subscribe, always appreciated. Have a brilliant rest of your Friday. Bye for now.